Hi, and welcome to this episode of John's Model Kit Review. In today's episode, we are talking about pre-shading. And pre-shading is thought of as a little bit more advanced modeling technique, but it's a really simple process by which you add some shadow and some darkness to the plastic before your final paint coat. And this really gives depth to the finished model, and it keeps your model from looking toy-like and very monotone in scale. There are many methods that you can use to affect the pre-shading. Some people airbrush all the panel lines and all the detail on the plane in a thin black paint. For me, I simply use some flat black acrylic paint that is heavily thinned with water. I apply my pre-shading with a thin paintbrush, and it's really like a panel line wash where I'm just going over the panel lines and the rivet detail. I go over that quickly. It makes kind of a mess, but not to worry. I actually go back over it with a cotton swab that's dampened just a little bit with some water, and I rub off the excess until I'm happy with it. I like the precision of this method. I like the fact that with the acrylic paint, it's not smelly. I don't have to break out the airbrush and go through that process. To pre-shade this kit took me about 40 minutes, which is typical for a 1/48 scale aircraft. If you've never tried pre-shading on a model kit before, it's a very simple process, and it really does enhance the final detail of the kit. The nice thing is, if you don't like it, you can simply spray a little bit more paint and completely cover up the effect. And you can see here I've got a before picture with no pre-shading, and then I have an after picture that I've pre-shaded, and you can tell the difference. Once I spray the final color coat on this kit, this pre-shading will be very toned down. It won't look nearly as contrasted as it does right now. It's meant to look overdone because it's going to have a layer of paint over it. In addition to the pre-shading, I will do some post-shading on this kit with pastels once the final color is applied. I will go over that in a future episode as I get to that step in the process. This is the second video in my modeling techniques series. This kit is the Hasegawa C6N reconnaissance plane in 1/48 scale. As I continue to make progress on this kit, I will post more technique videos on this channel. All right, I'd love to know if any of you out there pre-shade your kits and the method you use to do them. Please feel free to comment in the comment section below. As always, I hope you found this video entertaining and informative, and until next time, model on.